Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss about normal to a circle at given point. So we are deriving equation of normal at point x1 y1 to circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now look at the circle. Center of the circle is minus g comma minus f and x1 comma y1 which I am considering as p as one point on the circle. Now first I am showing tangent to the circle. What is normal? Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. So CP is normal. By the way, one can remember that normal is radius of the circle or normal is diameter of the circle. Normal always passes through center of the circle. Now, what we have to determine is equation of CP. For that purpose, I am getting slope of CP as y1 plus f upon x1 plus g. Now, how to get the equation? See, you have slope of Cp and you have point through which Cp is passing. So, you can use slope point form to get the equation. So, it can be written as y minus y1 is equal to y1 plus f upon x1 plus g into x minus x1. On simplification, it can be written as x minus x1 upon x1 plus g is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 plus f. This is equation of normal to the circle at point x1, y1. Now this equation we have derived for general circle. So have a look at this one. Now whenever general circle is there, then equation of normal is what we obtained, x minus x1 upon x1 plus g is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 plus f. While for standard circle, that equation is, now standard circle's equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square, and its normal is x upon x1 is equal to y upon y1. So these are the equations of normals to the general circle and standard circle. Now we go through one question to understand how to apply all these things. See, question is find equation of normals to circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 at points whose ordinate is minus 1. Now look at the solution. See, the circle given is general circle. So I'm comparing it with the equation of a general circle to get the values like 2g is minus 8. So g is minus 4. 2f is minus 2. So f is minus 1. And the value of c is 12. Now, as the point has ordinate minus 1, the point is on the circle. So, ordinate means value of y. So, here in this equation of circle, I can replace y by minus 1. So, equation becomes x square plus 1 minus 8x. Now, this is minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. Further, this equation becomes x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term of this quadratic, it can be written as x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. So we can write factors as x minus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from this, I can write x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 3. So these are the x coordinates of the points whose ordinate is minus 1. That means I can write these points as say a is 5 comma minus 1 and b is 3 comma minus 1. Now what's the question? Question is to find equation of normals to the circle at points whose ordinates is minus 1. So first of all, I am writing equation of normal at point A, 5 comma minus 1. Now, equation of normal, what we have derived is x minus x1 upon x1 plus g is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 plus f. Now, in this equation, x1 comma y1 is the point we obtained. And values of g and f, what we have obtained from the circle's equation, are minus 4 and minus 1. Now substituting all these values in the equation, I got x minus 5 upon 5 plus minus 4 is equal to y minus of minus 1 upon minus 1 plus minus 1. Further, it can be written as x minus 5 upon 1 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 2. After cross multiplication, it becomes minus 2x plus 10 is equal to y plus 1. So equation of normal here is 2x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation of normal at point 5 comma minus 1. While one more point we have, that is 3 comma minus 1. And same equation of normal we are applying. So we got it as x minus 3 upon 3 plus minus 4 is equal to y minus of minus 1 upon minus 1 plus minus 1. So it becomes x minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 2. See, what I can see is you can cancel this minus sign, and on cross multiplication it becomes 2x minus 6 is equal to y plus 1. Now, what we can write for the normal's equation? It becomes 2x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal at point B 3 comma minus 1. So we have done with both these equations. First one was at point 5 comma minus 1 and second one was at point 3 comma minus 1. So if you prepare this formula, then it is very easy to get the equation of normal. It is just a formula substitution. I hope all of you understood this. With this, we stop with this lecture. Bye bye and thank you to all of you.